Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today in English we are going to do noun. As you know that yesterday we have started a new topic in English, noun, and today again we are going to do noun. So first of all we will revise the definition of noun. What is the definition of noun? What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal and things. Again, repeat with me. Noun is the name of person, place, animal and things. Now tell me, what is this? Chalk? So chalk is a person, place, animal or thing. Is it a person? No. Is it an animal? No. Is it a place? No. Is it a thing? Yes, chalk is a thing. Now a boy. What is a boy? A person, place, animal or thing? Tell me. Boy is a person. A kite. What is this? A kite? So kite is a person, place, animal or thing? Yes, thing. Mouse. Mouse will come under the category of animal. Okay, here mouse will come under the category of animal. Mouse and all the birds also. Birds will also come under the category of animals. Socks. Is it a person? Is it a person? No. Place? No. Animal? No. So, thing. Very good. Now, park. Tell me. Is it a place? Yes, park is a place. Ring. Ring is a thing. Okay? Now next. Village. Village is a person? No. Animal? No. Thing? No. So, place. Very good. Now, we will underline the nouns. You have to find out the nouns and then you will underline it. The first one is Radha drinks milk every morning. Radha drinks milk every morning. So the first word is Radha. Radha is a person, place, animal or thing. Radha is a girl. So Radha is a person. We will underline Radha. Drinks milk. Now tell me, drink is a person, place, animal or thing? It is nothing. Now we will come to the next word, milk. Now, milk. So milk is a person, place, animal or thing? Milk is a thing. So you will underline Radha and milk in this sentence. Now the second sentence is I read newspaper daily. I read newspaper daily. So now tell me, इस sentence में आपको कोई person, place, animal या thing दिख रही है? Yes, newspaper. So you will underline newspaper in this sentence. Third, I have a car. I have a car. Now tell me, what is a noun here? Car. Car is a thing. Very good, students. Fourth, my uncle has a farm in Haryana. My uncle has a farm in Haryana. So mere uncle. Uncle is a person, place, animal or thing? Person. My uncle has a farm. Farm is a place in Haryana. Haryana is also a place. है ना? So you will underline uncle, farm and Haryana in this sentence. Now fifth, the tiger lives in the forest. The tiger lives in the forest. Tiger. Tiger is an animal. So you will underline tiger lives in the forest. Lives रहता है in the forest. Forest में. So forest is a person, no. Animal, no. Thing, no. Forest is a place. So you will underline tiger and forest in this sentence. Sixth, the girl is eating apple. Now as you can see in the picture, there is one girl who is eating an apple. So tell me, the girl. Girl is a what? Person. So girl is a noun. Is eating, खा रही है. क्या खा रही है? Apple. And apple is a thing. So you will underline girl and apple in this sentence. Seventh, my friend went to zoo with his mother. My friend, मेरा friend. Friend क्या है? Person. So friend is a noun. Went to zoo. Zoo गया था. Zoo क्या है? Zoo मतलब what is the meaning of zoo? चिड़ियाघर. And zoo is a place. So zoo is also a noun with his mother. अपनी mother के साथ. And mother is a person. So mother is a noun. So there are three nouns hiding in this sentence: friend, zoo and mother. Very good, students. Eighth, I saw a lion in the zoo. I saw a lion. मैंने क्या देखा zoo में? एक lion. So lion is an animal. So lion is a noun in the zoo. And zoo, what is the meaning of zoo? चिड़ियाघर. So zoo is also a place. So how many nouns are hiding in this sentence? Two nouns, lion and zoo. So you will underline lion and zoo in this sentence. Ninth, the teacher is sitting on the chair. The teacher is sitting on the chair. The teacher. Teacher is a person. So teacher is a noun. Is sitting. बैठी है. कहाँ बैठी है? On the chair. And what is the meaning of on? On का मतलब होता है ऊपर. किसके ऊपर बैठी है? The chair. And chair is a thing. So, how many nouns are hiding in this sentence? Two nouns. Teacher and chair. Tenth, I bought a new bag from mall. I bought a new bag from mall. I bought a new bag. Bag is a Person? No. Place? No. Animal? Oh no. So what is bag? Bag is a thing. You will underline bag from mall. Mall is a place. Very good. So you will add two things in this sentence, bag and mall. I bought a new bag from mall. You will underline bag and mall. And now what you have to do, you will write all these fill-ups in your notebook and your handwriting should be very good. So stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you, students.